Hello again, everyone. Welcome to Washington Gun Law TV. I am Washington Gun Law President William Kirk. Thanks for joining us. This is going to be a video for all my good friends out in Illinois. I am not currently in Illinois, and as you can probably tell, I'm not in Seattle either. Where the hell am I today? I'm in Las Vegas, Nevada. Came down here looking for real estate. I'm down here with Gun Law Jr. Didn't think I was going to be doing a video this weekend, which is why I am going with a casual Friday today. But Illinois, getting some news, and it's kind of good, but not really. So let's get you all up to speed. This is going to be a quick video. Got a lot of noise going on, but let's get you all educated. So today, let's spend a few minutes and let's talk about the good, the bad, and the ugly, all coming from Illinois. Okay, what are we talking about? The same thing we've been talking about for several weeks, Illinois. We are talking about your assault weapon ban. We're talking about the case of Harold v. Raul, the case that's going on down there in the southern part of your state. We have anticipated that Judge McGlynn was going to find the law unconstitutional and was going to issue an injunction. And guess what? That is exactly what we hear is happening. The docket is just being updated right now. Judge McGlynn has found the law unconstitutional, because it is, and he is enjoining enforcement of it. Hurrah! Everyone's going to go run to the FFL. Hold on, don't yet. Because here's the other thing I'm hearing. I'm hearing that Judge McGlynn is going to stay that injunction for a period of 30 days. And you know darn good and well that within that 30 days, the state of Illinois will crap its pants multiple times, but they will, in fact, get an appeal filed with the 7th Circuit. And we all know what the 7th Circuit is going to do with that injunction. And we have all along said, hey, I can tell you exactly what's going to happen with this case. It's going to be win, stay, appeal, lose. We've already done the win. We've already done the stay. So kudos to Judge McGlynn for having the kuhyas to actually rule that this law was unconstitutional. But shame on you for sitting there going, well, I find the law to be unconstitutional, but I'm going to allow the citizens of Illinois to be subjected to it for an additional 30 days, darn good and well knowing that the state of Illinois is going to be appealing that and that the citizens of Illinois are a long, long way from having relief on this matter. So for all of you who are plotting, how am I going to get down there and how am I going to get myself a new semi-automatic rifle? The bad news is it's not happening. Now, I was first tipped off about this by our good friend Rob Beavis over at Law Weapons in Naperville. Stop by and show him some love. But then I called Todd over at Freedom Steel. And if you guys aren't watching Todd and Freedom Steel, you're seriously cheating yourselves. Had him confirm. I'm going to read to you a text message that I just received from him so you could understand what he's reading on the docket. Findings of fact and conclusions of law following bench trial. The court finds in favor of the plaintiffs and against the defendants in these consolidated cases. The court holds that the challenged provisions of the Protect Illinois Communities Act are unconstitutional under the Second Amendment of the United States Constitution as applied to the states by the 14th Amendment. Therefore, the plaintiff's request for a permanent injunction is granted. The state of Illinois is hereby enjoined from the enforcement of PICA's criminal penalties in accordance with the statutes against all Illinois citizens, effective immediately. The state of Illinois is also enjoined from enforcing the firearm registration requirements and penalties associated with entering false information on the endorsement affidavit for non-exempt weapons, magazines, and attachments previously required to be registered with the Protect Illinois Communities Act. And that right there sounds absolutely fantastic. And this is exactly the reason that many of you, if you had just stopped right here, you're going to go run out to an FFL and find out they can't really help you, because the rest of the court's order reads as follows. This permanent injunction is stayed for 30 days. Additionally, the government's motion for partial summary judgment on the Langley plaintiffs counts 4 and 6 is granted. The clerk of the court is directed to enter judgment in favor of the plaintiffs, signed Judge Stephen P. McGlynn on November 8, 2024. Okay, I really want to thank Todd over at Freedom Steel for getting me that docket information, especially because he's somewhere out in the Caribbean Ocean right now, about 70 miles off of Cuba, trying to enjoy himself, just like I'm down here in Las Vegas trying to enjoy myself. But hey, justice never rests. So the bottom line, Illinois, congratulations. You got a fantastic moral victory today. Is it going to improve the quality of your lives? Are you going to have access to firearms that you should have access to, but you don't right now? No, it is not. It is not going to save the day, because Judge McGlynn, even though he had the chutzpah to go ahead and rule in favor of the plaintiffs did not have that same courage necessary to enjoin the law immediately and actually allow Illinois residents to live free like Americans. Listen, as soon as we can get some more information, we're going to link it up down in the description box below. I wanted to get this video done real quick and get it out to you so that you had this information. If you guys got any questions about this or anything else related to what's left of your Second Amendment rights, and in Illinois, that ain't much. You should know how to get a hold of Washington gun law by now, but if you don't, it's down there in the description box. Maybe you got an idea for a video we should be doing around here. Cool. Click on that link. Let us know what it is. It's probably going to be better than anything we come up with. If you want to just subscribe to our monthly newsletter, all of that information is right down there in the description box. And then finally, and most importantly, let's everyone remember that part of being a lawful and responsible gun owner, like we talk about all the time here, is to know what the law is in every situation and how it applies to you in any instance that you may find yourself. Until next time, thanks for watching. Keep fighting, Illinois. Keep fighting and stay safe.